Hi everyone, today I'm installing a new best top roll bar kit. I can't really make this a how-to video, but I wanted to generally speak to how it was to put on, and if I see anything that isn't straightforward, I will try and get that in this video. Please let me know if you have any comments or questions. Let's get started. Okay, I've laid out all of the roll bar padding. The instructions say to do this in at least 72 degrees. I think it's close to 72 degrees. It's kind of windy, but I think it's warm, so I'm going to lay it all out. I just wanted to let you know that this particular one is good for, let's see if you can read that, Tj Wrangler 97 to 02. So these roll bar pads would fit in 97 to 02. I'm 98, so that works. And this is what I got. I will also leave a link in the description of where I bought these. Okay, the first step of putting roll bar pads on is pulling the top off, and actually it's the first two steps, and it kind of goes over what to do if you have a hard top or a soft top, but I'm assuming if you have the Jeep you already know how to pull your top off, and especially if you need new roll bar padding. So I'm not going to cover that. So step 3 in the instructions is adding these Velcro strips that came with the kit. We're going to add them on both sides of this seatbelt adjust mount. This side back there, and on both sides. It comes in a roll. You actually have to cut them in the correct sizes. You put it on flush with this little ridge right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and be right back. Okay, just for clarification, I call it Velcro. They call it hook and loop strip, so that there's no confusion, but it's Velcro, and I got it done. As you can see, it's right here, and on the inside, and on the other side over there. On to step 4. Okay, so I feel like I should film this part because it's not very straightforward. Not positive this is right yet. The instructions, they don't really have good pictures, but they say things like take the right and left foam pad, line them up with the center padding cover, but nothing's marked. So laying it all out in the kitchen, I think I might have it figured out. So I just kind of use these paper clip holders. So I kind of started at the bottom, came up and laid it out how I think it's going to go. I think one thing that might help you is there's a small hole for the front roll bar and a big hole for the rear roll bar, and the holes line up in the covers, so you'll know. And on the back side of the cover, it has tape, so they want you to set it in there and tape it. So I got this side ready to tape, and I just wanted to show you, this is the other side. You can see the big hole and the small holes. So the small hole is the front roll bar, so it'll tell you the orientation of how this goes. So I'm gonna tape this side, pull the clips off, put this one on this side, and tape it. Also, there's a center pad that I have to figure out where it is and which way it orients. So it's a bummer that nothing's marked, but I think if you lay it out and think about it, it will be pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna go see if I can find that center pad. I'm gonna tape, well, I guess I'll get the center pad, I'll clip it in, clip this one in, and then I'll tape it all up. And I'll be right back. Okay, they're all clipped up. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna tape it down and get ready to put it on. Okay, there's the finished product. The new roll bar covers and pads. They were actually pretty easy to install. The instructions are pretty good. The hard part was figuring out where everything went. They tell you to look for the right and the left, but nothing's marked. And you have to really lay it all out to put the foam in it. Once you lay it all out, it starts to make sense. It was a little time consuming, but in the end, I think it turned out great. Hope this video helps. As usual, leave any comments or questions. Do something amazing today, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.